The inventor Nikola Tesla once famously said, "Everything is the light," and it's tempting to think of his mystical quote as an endorsement of using magical lighting everywhere, including string lights in the bedroom. Adding fairy lights to a space is one of the most economical ways to change the mood of a room without spending a bunch of money. There are a lot of string lights available on the market, though, and you don't want to waste your money on ones that fail quickly or don't put off the kind of light you want. Bulb type, string length, power source, and extra features like remotes or color changing options are all things to consider before making a buy on the best string lights for bedrooms. Number 1. Jamexus lights. These aren't your typical indoor Christmas lights. They're reimagined for a softer, more twinkly look. Instead of the dark green or black cord, the cord is translucent, allowing it to blend into the background of whatever you put it next to, the wall or ceiling, a curtain, your bedpost, a dresser, etc. The bulbs on these string lights for the bedroom are also a bit smaller than some of the holiday string lights, lending them a more subtle glow that is more sleep gently into the good night than wake up now, you'd old. You certainly get a lot of light length with this set, which comes with 200 LED lights, with 10 centimeters between each, over a full 66 feet with an additional 10 feet of LED cord for a total of 76 feet in length. It's hard to imagine a better value for large bedrooms, and it's a great value when you factor in the low cost. The 10-foot lead cord is especially handy when your bedroom outlet plug isn't as close as you'd like it to be to where you want to hang your lights. And since it's a clear cord, it's also much less obtrusive than with a typical white, black, or green Christmas light cord, especially if your walls are painted in other colors. Number 1. Rothun Globe String Lights. These globe string lights fit the bill when you want a soft glow in your bedroom. With a bulb size of 0.7 inches, you'll find these bulbs to be of the Goldilocks variety, aka not too big and not too small. They're a frosted white color, which helps get that soft hazy glow when turned on and avoid that bright bulb look you may not want in a bedroom. That also means they might stand out against a dark background when turned off. You'll get 100 LED individual bulbs over 33 feet of cord, with 4.2 inches between each bulb, with a generous extra 16 feet of LED wire to get you from that outlet to where you want the light to start, an especially handy feature if your bedroom isn't studded with outlets. These globe lights have 8 lighting modes, including a steady mode, slow fade, and twinkle/flash, and they are dimmable if you have a separate wall dimmer switch, which means you can get the just right brightness to go with the time of day or your mood. There's no remote, so to operate, you'll use a button on the cord itself, something to keep in mind when you're choosing where to hang these white lights. Number 3. Twinkle Star Window Curtain Lights. Whether you're looking for a string of curtain lights for a larger wall, a curtained area, or a gallery wall in your boudoir, this bedroom lighting solution will do the trick in a jiffy. Unlike some other models on the market, these hang a full 9.8 feet from floor to ceiling, so you'll cover a larger area for a better look. You can combine up to 5 lights together, each covers 6.6 feet across, for full room coverage for both small bedrooms and large bedrooms. It's by far the best option for high ceilings and the best decorative bang for your buck on curtain lights if you just want to hang it and forget it. You won't be short on the light-up area. You get 10 strings of light on each curtain, with each strand holding 30 LED lights. The strands are about 8.6 inches apart. And the lifespan of the bulbs is around 1,200 hours. Expect a warm, white light that's perfect for that late-night dreamscape you want to create in a bedroom, dorm room, or child's room. Number 4. Omeka Color Changing Globe Lights. Unlike adults who often seek calm, relaxing bedroom lighting, kids often love bright colors and flashing lights. These color-changing lights strike a good mix between bedroom-appropriate and fun. With 16 color choices and 4 multicolor modes, these string lights certainly aren't boring. And the crystal outer shell of the lights helps to diffuse the colors into something relaxing. The bonus remote control means you don't even have to get out of bed to adjust the mode settings. Or if you're really feeling lazy, just use the timer mode, which automatically configures for 6 hours on and 18 hours off. Unlike many other string lights on this list, this set has a memory setting, meaning it stays in your preferred mode, even when you turn it off and back on again. If your preferred setting is several modes in, this can be a real time saver. The full length of the set is 26 feet, but that's with nearly 10 feet of LED wire, leaving a little over 16 feet of actual lighting wire. Number 5. 12 APM Dimmable Starry Fairy Lights. Bedroom lighting gets a major upgrade with these delightful fairy lights. They are the perfect option for when you want a glitter of extra lighting in your bedroom. These fairy lights come in a 66-foot length, giving you plenty of room to play with decorative accent lighting in your bedroom, no matter where you want the light to shine. Forget dull lighting that comes from a boring table lamp. These LED fairy lights create a cozy space that's perfect for the sanctuary that is your bedroom. Instead of a standard wrapped wire, these fairy lights have a bendable copper wire that's highly flexible and can be wound around almost anything, from bedposts to plants to curtain rods. They're the perfect option for people who want to decorate their indoor space with a sense of whimsy. Unlike a lot of copper wire fairy lights, these aren't battery-powered and instead operate via a USB port. A USB brick charger port is not included.